The purpose of the Trumpet Publisher for ShareFile is to assist you in bulk uploading documents to ShareFile. A common list of items that can be published to ShareFile include invoices, quarterly reports from your portfolio management software, 1099s, and K1s. In today's video, we will be uploading portfolio holding reports from our portfolio management software. To begin, I've already run the portfolio holding reports and placed them in a folder. Now I'm going to open the Trumpet Publisher for ShareFile tool by double-clicking on the shortcut on my desktop. Next, the configuration selector will open and I can choose what I want to publish. Now, I'm going to input my ShareFile username and password. If you have more than one account associated with your sign-in, you'll need to select the appropriate account. Now I'm going to drag and drop the files from my folder onto the bottom of the Trumpet Publisher for ShareFile tool. Next, I'm going to change the placeholders in my naming convention to be the appropriate date in which I'm filing. Next, I'm going to choose to send all files. As you send the files, Trumpet Publisher will indicate that they have been uploaded to ShareFile by placing a green checkbox in the Send Result column. Let's go ahead and take a look at these in ShareFile. Here's our portfolio holdings report with the appropriate date. Now I could double-click on the file, but it is getting published to the portal. Again, the purpose of the Trumpet Publisher for ShareFile tool is to assist you in bulk uploading documents to ShareFile.